Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a get ready with me video. So it's been a long time since I did a get ready with me video. I cannot even remember when was the last time. I don't know, it was 2017 or 16, by the end of 2016, I don't know. But today I decided to do one because I really like or enjoy doing this get ready with me video. And on this video I am just, doing a simple makeup look, just an everyday look in which I do whenever I go out or whenever I go to the salon or whatnot, just to make myself look a little presentable. So yeah, this is very self-explanatory, guys. So I just decided to have it fast forward, and I'm planning to do a in-depth tutorial on this one, but for now we are going to do a fast forward version. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and yeah. So I guess we're done, guys, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. And if you do, make sure that to give this video a thumbs up, and also make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching, and always remember that makeup is not a mask worn to hide oneself, but rather it makes you a better you.